Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So right now I am in Munnar and the time right now is 9:20 in the morning. Yeah, and right now I am heading towards a waterfall that is called Attukad Waterfalls, something like that. Yeah, which is 11 kilometers away from my resort, the place where I'm staying here in Munnar. I had a very good sleep last night. It was like 11 hours ride. So yeah, it took me 11 hours to reach Munnar from Bangalore, and I was not tired, but yeah, I was feeling sleepy. Woo. Oh god, look at the view guys. Seriously, look at the view, look at the cloud, or you can call it as fog, and the tea estate. Look at the waterfall. Can you see that? Amazing, man. Just look at that waterfall right over there. And the view is so good. Alright, so this is a small cafe here near the waterfall. Oh, it's nice. And there is the waterfall. Look at that, that's the waterfall. You have a great view here. You can sit here, have your breakfast or tea, whatever you want, and you can enjoy this beautiful view here. Oh, so beautiful. Alright, it's time to say goodbye to this waterfall. It was nice. Yeah, it was really nice. I also had my breakfast. I had lemon soda and bread omelette. It was good. Alright, back on the main road guys. So right now I am going to a tea estate that is called Lockhart tea estate, and there is a viewpoint that is called Lockhart viewpoint, and yeah, so that's the place where I'm going. So that place is 15 kilometers away from Munnar main town. Yeah, the weather is getting better and better. So there is a tea estate and there is a viewpoint as well. We can get a good view. Let's see how the place is. I've seen a few pictures and I liked it, so let's see. Man, the views, look at the views. It's amazing. Wow. Looks like I've come to another world. Oh, just look at that. Green all around. It's like a carpet, a green carpet. Okay, so this is our destination. Well, this is this is Lockhart viewpoint. This is called Lockhart Tea Estate. So yeah, these are all the tea estates. Even on that side we have good view. It's looking really beautiful, man. You should come to this place and experience it. Alright guys, so right now I am returning back from Lockhart Tea Estate and Lockhart Viewpoint. So yeah, the place was absolutely stunning. A lush green tea plantation all around. It was really looking very beautiful, and yeah, it's a must visit place, man, seriously. Yeah, you can also click some pictures. Like, you will find a lot of photographers. They will take pictures and immediately they will provide you the photographs. So the place was really beautiful, man, amazing. And look at the view here now. Alright, what's next? So right now I am planning to visit Anamudi viewpoint. So yeah, Anamudi is a peak, and I believe the trekking is closed for that peak, Anamudi peak. I'm not sure, but I've heard that the trekking is not allowed in that place. I'll have to check with the locals though. So yeah, that's the place where I'm going right now. Well, I'll not be doing trekking, but I'll be visiting the viewpoint. So there is a viewpoint, so I'm not sure if the view would be clear or not. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so Anamudi viewpoint is like 10 or 11 kilometers away from the main Munnar town, and right now we have 8 kilometers more to go. So this is a ghat section. This is a ghat road, a lot of vehicles. Well, I was planning to visit Top Station. Top Station is a popular place here in Munnar, and it's a crowded place. So yeah, I was checking the Google Maps, and it showed me that the place is really crowded at this point of time. Perhaps because it's Sunday, so I believe, yeah, that's the reason the place is super crowded. So yeah, that's why I decided to go to another place, the place where I'm going right now. So I'll be visiting Top Station tomorrow. So yeah, I'll be visiting Top Station tomorrow in the morning perhaps, and I believe the place will not be crowded. Yeah, let's see. look at the place, man. I believe this is the Anamudi viewpoint. Yeah, it looks like, and there is a waterfall right from the top. It's quite far. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that. The place is amazing, man. Alright guys, so this was Anamudi viewpoint, and right now it is fogging. You can see the fogs are coming. So yeah, the place will be fully covered with fog. Views will not be available. So yeah, luckily we got the view. The fog was not there when I came. But yeah, the place is really nice, man. I mean, this view is amazing. Right now I am returning back to my resort. So it's the end of the day. The time right now is 5:20, and yeah, that's all from this video. That's all from this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, I will go ahead and end this vlog here right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog with another location and another ride. Till then, take care, ride safe, goodbye.